Late afternoon, everyone. I've just got back from my father's where I have been cleaning, cooking, food shopping, and now I'm about to start on my own cleaning. I am about to do the fridge, clean that out and get that spotless. Then it'll be onto the pantry. So I hope you enjoy. If you're not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share if there's anything in my content that you think may be of help for someone else. Let's get busy. Right, it's time to get this fridge sorted. As you can see, this is what is in here right now. Just a few random bits and pieces. What have we got down here? Got some apples and some onions. And there's also some onions in that bag. Cucumber. Yeah. So this is what we're cleaning out today. And then we're going to go and do our grocery shop. This is my freezer. It's already sorted. Up here in this I have, actually, if I take this out, in here I have some steamed fresh veggies, another one of steamed fresh veggies. I have 2 edamame and some baby sweet corn. So that's that there. That just sits up. And there I have some peas and corn, and then I have these vegetarian sausages, burgers. These are kumara ones, and these are masala burgers. Then I have some saveloys. These are blueberries. There's a few bags of those. I have ice cubes, a loaf of bread. These lemons can go out. Oops, stop beeping at me. And then I have hash browns. The bread is for when my grandchildren stay. I just found another lemon, and I don't think I want that. I'm not into meat, as in ground beef or anything anymore. So that's my ice cubes. And then here I have veggie rice, and these are frozen grapes, which I'm going to use at some point in, maybe not. No. I think they have got freezer burn, so yeah, no, I'm going to, no. They can go out. I don't really want them. See, I do this, I freeze things and then I don't want them. I've got some berries here. I'm going to actually get rid of these as well. They just don't appeal. And I'm going to get rid of those. And I'm going to get rid of... there we go. Right, that's that done. So that's organised. That's organised. Right, I shall just clear all this out. Alright, there we go. I have wiped it all down. As you can see, it's nice and clean. I did give it a scrub last week, so it was just a matter of just wiping the shelves, making sure there were no spillages, and just making sure that there was nothing left in here. So it's all ready to have the items sorted. So this is what I've taken out of the fridge. This is what I'm going to sort through and put back. I always wipe down the bottles because you never know what is on the bottom of them. And there are some things that need to be thrown away and some things that need sorting. Okay, there we go, all sorted. Cheeses and butter up the top, dressings here, milk and apple cider vinegar there. I have the pumpkin, spaghetti squash, onions, cucumber and apple down here, and then I have my tomatoes, soda water and La Croix soda water, margarine, pineapple and my Greek yogurt. Okay, this is the contents of my pantry. I have 4, these are new. I got these as part of a New World promotion. These are red wine glasses. I have 1 pack of jelly, some cranberry, some keto whey, whatever you call it. I've got some tuna and salmon, small salmon, Marmite, 3 pack of Potty's beans, they're small, and also a small spaghetti, 3 cans of 4-bean mix in spring water, tomato and red capsicum, garlic, honey, some chia and flaxseed peanut butter, drinking chocolate for when the grandchildren are here, some treacle, medium chili beans, there are 2 of those. I have 2 of the medium, the medium beans and tomato sauce. I have 2 pineapple chunks. I have a baked beans and tomato sauce, which is a Pam's one. 2 of beetroot. I was given some black tea, but I don't like it, so I will give that to someone else. I have snacker bars in here, and these 2 silver things are actually dried honey. I've not tried them. They were given to me as well. I have pure peppermint tea, Earl Grey tea, raw sugar, Sonata crackers, hulled hemp seeds, Oaties, MCT oil. This is a cup that was bought for me by my son and daughter-in-law. I have some Oaties in here. I have some quinoa flakes. I have an empty Jed's coffee jar that is waiting for some coffee to go in it. I have 2 bottles of Banrock Station Pink Moscato. And over here I have a Sunbeam knife, a Weet-Bix tin which doesn't have Weet-Bix in it. It has some macaroni cheese and some sesame seeds. I usually use this to put gravy mixes in and sachets. I have some rice in this one. This is a medium grain. This is basmati. This one, hang on. This one's basmati and that one is long grain. Then I have what's this one? Rice and quinoa brown rice. Then I have brown rice, another brown rice, and a black rice and quinoa. So those are the rices. That needs cleaning. That did have rice bubbles in. This is all the rice bubbles that are left that my grandchildren usually have. I have some spiral pasta. I have some penny pasta. I have 2-minute noodles, and I have a box of Weet-Bix. Here I have another empty container, and I have this is wild and red rice. So that is the subtotal of what is or was in my pantry, and this is only a small one, but it needs to be organised. So I shall give it a wipe out and then organise. Okay, so I'm going to do first. Spaghetti and beans. Those beans. Chili beans. Bean mixes. Those beans. Pineapple. Masters. Beetroot. Salmon. Salmon. Oats there. And oh, it's on the wrong one. There. Okay. So next we'll do crackers for my grandson. Do jelly is his. We'll do Vegemite, peanut butter, treacle, and do sugar up the top, hot chocolate, coffee will go here. Tea bags. pretty well right. Okay. Right. Down the bottom. Where are we? Down the bottom. Yep. Okay. So, I think I want the 2 lots of glasses down there. The easy knife there. And oh, actually, can go right at the back there. Nice rice there. That one. Pasta. There like so. 2 bottles of wine. There. Pasta there, I think. Right. There's water there. Right. This is the cracker tin. So I'll put that there. The crackers on top. And this jelly can sit there. Right. I need cleaning. I shall pop the noodles in here. Bread bin can sit there because there's no bread in it. And I shall pop snacks there and elsewhere. MCT oil, I won't fit up there. Pop that there. And I think that's pretty much it. Okay. I just need cleaning. Okay, so they're past the use by date. I'm not going to use that, and I think that might be past its use by somewhere. It's still alright. So I shall pop that up here. So as you can see, I have the spreads and things here. What's wrong with it? Okay, we have everything organised up the top. At the back we have sugar, raw sugar and white sugar, because I have one son that has sugar in his tea and coffee. I have crackers up the top here for my grandson. Down the bottom I have Wheat Bix, I have Oaties, I have my fruit, then I have all the tinned goods that I use, and then down the bottom here I have wine, which probably won't get used until round about my birthday, and then just pastas and rices and things. So that is my small pantry cupboard sorted. So I'm pleased I got that done today.